What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I just got over here to the shop. We're at B&K Performance. Today, we're going to talk about hoods and the importance of properly securing and attaching your hood and what happens when you don't do that. Check it out, guys. Go to TurboJohnRacing.com, grab yourself some merchandise, and get entered to win this hood right here, this one. Yep. All right, guys, so I don't know if y'all remember the hood. This is actually the original TurboJohn hood that was on the old car, and that video y'all just saw, it was a nightmare. Let me show you one of the problems we had. We had a couple issues. The door wouldn't shut and latch, and we kept pushing it. Now, this was on the other car, of course. On those fiberglass doors, you see we've got this little attachment point. There's a pin here that attaches so the door doesn't overextend and swing out. So what had happened is this had fell down here and it wasn't allowing the door to shut, making it not shut properly. So that was 100% the issue. So that was fixed, but then the hood blew up. So let me show you how we had this thing attached before and how we had it attached this last time. Now, this is a feather carbon hood. It is fiberglass. They make both. They're out of Virginia. And when I first got that hood, I asked him about securing it, and he said, you got to put a lot of Zeus rails on it because it's lightweight. It's a hood that is designed to be on a race car. So he was like, put a rail on it. So if you look on the old front end, we welded some rails. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side, and then we had one on the front here, and we did not have this one here. And so it was really good. It was really secure. We never had any issues. We had a lot of connectors on it. So when we moved to the old car, I got a deal on my front end. So my front end, if you guys have noticed, it does not have this lip. It basically right here is cut off. So we didn't have a way to do this. So our solution was to put another one in the front. So we put this one here. That one was there. We put this extra one in the middle. And then we had this one here. And then we had one of these tabs welded off the back. And so we ended up with 5 fasteners versus, I think we had 8, 10 before. So we had half the fasteners. And we didn't have any problems with it. Everything was running smooth, no issues at all. So when we went to Galat, I had an issue, and you can see what had happened on the video if you go back and watch it. This front one was on, this back one was off. I lost it. I messed up the pop rivets and it got lost. So I should have just took the hood off the car and then it would have probably been fine. But this one was not on, and it started flapping back here. And then when it started flapping, I think it caused this one, which it's gone too. It was there, but it wasn't attached to the hood. I think the flapping caused it to get carried away. And then basically this whole side just peeled off. And yeah, so it just ruined the hood. The hood is destroyed. I mean, Brian could probably fix it, but it's pretty beat up. Good wall art piece. Like I said, this is the original TurboJohn hood. So we're going to be giving that one away to one of the lucky subscribers. So hoods are big and bulky and hard to ship. So this is going to be a good wall ornament for somebody if they want it. If they want me to sign it, I'll sign it. If not, that's fine too. So how are you going to win this? So you're going to make a comment on this video that you want the hood. Now you're going to be responsible to come get the hood. I'll throw it in a race car trailer and I can take it to a track with me. And you can meet us somewhere. I'm not going to be able to ship this thing, you know, boxing it up and shipping it would be astronomically expensive. Although I probably could cut it in half and fold it and ship it a little bit easier, but we're not going to do that. So we're not going to ship it. So if you want this hood, in the comments below, if you'll type hood and if you will share this video, after a couple weeks, we'll go through, we'll randomly pick all the people that said hood, and then we will pick a winner, and then we'll contact you, and then you can figure out how you're going to get it. You can meet us at the track, you can come to the shop, you can come pick this thing up. Check it out. Comment, like, and subscribe. Comment hood if you want this thing, and then one of y'all is going to win it, and we're going to get it to you at the track somewhere. All right, thanks, guys.